Hello guys, ito magta-try tayo withdraw using our GCash. Yan. So, withdrawal tayo guys. Savings. Other amount tayo guys. Tingnan natin kung papasok to, no? Okay. Okay, may charge na 222 yen. So, confirm natin guys. And guys, just like that, got our receipt in our card.
Are you sure you have everything?
Yes. And nakuha
Thank
natin
you.
guys ang cash natin. Nice. And guys, ganun lang kabilis, no? And we were charged of 220 yen for the withdrawal. So magkano lang yun? Mababa lang yun guys, no? Very nice. Thank you GCash. Pero hindi kami sponsored ni GCash guys, no?